Welcome to the Travel, Tour and Dine channel, where we explore the world's most amazing destinations and show you the top 5 things to do at each selected destination. Today's destination, New York City. With its characteristic hustle and bustle, this concrete jungle always has something new to offer. Now, let's dive into the heart of the Big Apple and explore its glittering gems. First stop, the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. An iconic symbol of freedom, Lady Liberty stands tall and proud, welcoming visitors from across the globe. And while you're there, don't miss out on a visit to Ellis Island, the gateway for over 12 million immigrants to the United States. But if you're looking for something off the beaten path, try the Seaport District. With the Brooklyn Bridge as your dinner view at the Fulton, it's a scene you won't forget. Next, we head to Times Square, the neon heart of New York. Yes, it's packed with tourists, and yes, there's a guy dressed as Elmo, but it's a must-see. But instead of dining at a chain restaurant, why not try something unique? Like Joe's Pizza, a local favorite since 1975. Moving on to Central Park, a green oasis amidst the city's towering skyscrapers. Row a boat, have a picnic, or just stroll and pretend you're in a rom-com. After your park adventure, wander over to Tavern on the Green for a luxurious brunch or dinner. A historic restaurant with a stunning park view, it's a hidden gem that's worth discovering. Broadway is up next. This is where star-studded cast members sing, dance and act, all at the same time, without the use of auto-tune. Before the show, stop at Sardi's. This iconic restaurant has been the toast of Broadway since 1927. Dining here is like stepping into a scene from a classic film. Finally, we arrive at the Metropolitan Museum of Art, or as the locals call it, the Met. This is where you look cultured, ponder the meaning of life while staring at a Monet, and finally learn what an Egyptian antiquity is. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of New York's most popular spots and some lesser-known gems. Now, question time. If you could only visit one of these places, which one would it be and why? Leave your answers in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring.